Hello, it's Max. Stop scrolling. We've all been there, right? You know a shot exists. You remember filming it. But you've just spent 40 minutes opening 3 different hard drives, a NAS, and 4 old Premiere projects, only to find files named final.mp4 and final_really final ok.mp4. It's exhausting. Usually, the problem isn't that you lost the video. It's that your library is scattered, and your file names mean absolutely nothing. But here's the secret. You don't need a perfect organization system. You just need the right video finder strategy. Today, I'm showing you 4 AI-powered methods to find any clip instantly, even if you have 0 tags. Let's dive in. Method 1. Informative and smooth. First up, searching video with no tags. This is a game changer for when your folders are a total mess. Instead of searching for a file name, you search for what the video actually contains. Using an app like Peakto, you can use conversational search. Just describe what you see. Wide shot of Tokyo at night, or person walking on a beach at sunset. The AI understands the content, not just the label. And if there's talking, you can actually find words in video. Just type a quote you remember, like, "Let's start," and you jump straight to that exact second. No more scrubbing through hours of footage. Method 2. Fast and precise. Now, if you have even one clue, finding video by metadata is your highway. Data doesn't lie. You know it was shot in February? It's drone footage? It's 4K at 50 FPS? Perfect. Stop scrolling. Combine those filters. February plus drone plus 50 FPS. Suddenly, a massive library of thousands of clips collapses into a list of 5. That is the fastest way to work when you have technical clues. Method 3. Curious and helpful. This happens all the time. You don't have the video, but you have a behind-the-scenes photo or a screenshot on your phone. How do you find the video from that image? You can use the date or GPS info from the photo to narrow the window, but the pro move? Visual similarity search. You drop the image into Peakto, and it finds the raw footage that looks just like it. It's a shortcut from a single frame back to the entire moment. Method 4. The expert tip. Method number 4 is the reverse video search tool. Usually, people use this to find reloads online, but you should be using it inside your own library. If you have a low-res proxy and you need to find the original master file hidden in your NAS, use a reverse search. It's like a video finder in reverse. Drop a clip you like to discover visually similar footage. Keep your edit consistent and save your day. To never lose a video again, you need a system that works even when you're tired. Keep your exports human. Don't destroy your metadata, and use a unified view to see everything in one place. That's why I use Peakto. It's a global video finder that lets you search across everything without moving a single file. Check the link in the description to try Peakto. It's time to spend more time creating and less time searching. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.